What's the situation like at hospitals in Maharashtra? And that's the point that Uddhav Thackeray was repeatedly making when he said we may need to fly in oxygen and use the Indian Air Force. Healthcare system in Maharashtra is actually facing and feeling this pressure. No hospital beds available virtually. Medical supplies like oxygen cylinders running really low. Doctors, healthcare workers, they're feeling the stress. Here's a look at the state of hospitals and how hospitals are coping with this maha surge in COVID cases.
Angry relatives of a COVID-19 patient in Mumbai's Nalasopara came to blows with the hospital administration. The relatives created ruckus after the patient died within 3 hours of being brought to the hospital. They allege that the death was due to lack of oxygen and that the hospital did not inform them about the short supply. As Maharashtra battles second COVID surge, hospitals in the state are bursting at its seams. There are no beds, no medicines, no doctors.
The medical facilities, the entire healthcare facilities in the state of Maharashtra and Mumbai have collapsed. They have absolutely gone to ground zero. From taking tests to getting beds in hospitals to getting life-saving drugs to actually scoring ambulances to pick up your parents and drop them across. The whole system is collapsed.
My father got infected with COVID. We struggled a lot, but there were no beds available at all. We were struggling for almost 4 hours just for an ambulance to take him to for his final rides. But the driver just gave me an excuse that I have quit the BMC job, and now I am running on my private ambulance. And if you want me to get this done for you, you have to pay me 7,000 rupees.
In Satara, a COVID patient was administered oxygen in an auto rickshaw outside Vaduz Rural Hospital because there were no beds available. Currently, there are over 8,000 active cases in the district and hospital beds are all full. These patients at Silver Jubilee Hospital in Baramati are being administered oxygen in the veranda. The overcrowded hospital has run out of beds. With a capacity to treat 92 patients, the hospital is now forced to treat over 192 patients. With hospitals in Maharashtra running out of beds and facilities already stretched, State Guardian Minister blames celebrities for the shortage.
अब इतने बड़े-बड़े स्टार्स लोग अगर अक्षय कुमार, उसके बाद में हमारे क्रिकेटर जी हो गए, उसके बाद में एक्ट्रेस हो गई, अगर ये लोगों ने जाके अगर बेड्स ऑक्यूपाई करे तो जिनको जरूरत है उनको तो मिलता नहीं है। महानगर पालिका ने निर्देश निकाला है कि उनको जो है वो वार्ड लेवल से आदेश मिलने के बाद ही लिया जाए, लेकिन अभी सेलिब्रिटी हैं, सचिन तेंदुलकर जी हो गए, कैटरीना कैफ जैसे लोग हो गए, तो ये लोग कहीं ना कहीं अपना सोर्स लगा लेते हैं जो ठीक नहीं है।
With the surge only intensifying, the squeeze on hospitals will only get worse. Expect more tensions, if not all-out unrest. Bureau Report, India Today.
The situation in the national capital is also extremely alarming. Delhi is witnessing a sharp rise in coronavirus cases. The national capital broke all records of a single-day spike with 13,468 cases reported in the past 24 hours. Delhi also recorded 81 fatalities yesterday. The capital witnessed over 10,000 infections for the third straight day. Delhi government has already converted 14 top private hospitals into COVID-only facilities till further orders. The national capital has actually surpassed Mumbai in daily infections. The question now arises, is Delhi also staring at a lockdown? Earlier, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal had hinted at stricter curbs. He said if hospitals get overburdened, if the situation deteriorates, then there will be no alternative but to enforce a lockdown in the national capital.
With number of cases rising across the country, Delhi has witnessed its largest spike yet. More than 13,000 cases have been recorded in the last 24 hours, and more than 80 deaths, which is 81 deaths, have taken place in the last 24 hours due to COVID-19. At the crematorium grounds in Delhi, the situation is that they are getting filled up as a lot of people and family members are saying goodbye to their loved ones here. But there are appeals to maintain social distancing and wear masks everywhere. The death toll in Delhi is 81, but the overall death toll in the state has now crossed more than 11,000 deaths due to the coronavirus. People are being cautioned, and the Delhi government is also taking this very seriously to have restrictions within the state to control the level of cases. With Ajay Thakur, Milan Sharma for India Today.
Patients in Delhi are struggling to find beds at different hospitals. Beds, ventilators, ICU beds. Though officially the Delhi government says there isn't a shortage just as yet. But if you look at statistics just today, 93% beds are already filled. Government says unless people follow COVID-appropriate behavior, there may have to be another lockdown even in the national capital.
COVID-free run in Delhi. The frightening spike breaking all records. Hospital beds, ventilators running short. To meet the sudden rise of COVID rush at hospitals, the Delhi government reserved 14 private hospitals and 4 big government hospitals for only COVID patients. While bed capacity at 115 private hospitals were raised, non-COVID patients have few options left, as 60 to 80% beds in majority of hospitals are already kept for COVID alone.
एम्स वालों ने कह दिया बिना देखे कि बेड खाली नहीं है, पर्चे दिखाए. उसके बाद उन्होंने कहा सफदरजंग में ले जाइए. सफदरजंग में लाके दिखाया. पूरी रात उन्होंने कहीं एक्सरा करवाया, कहीं जांच करवाई ECG. उसके बावजूद उन्होंने कह दिया बेड खाली नहीं है. लो हम लिख के दे रहे हैं, चाहे कहीं भी ले जाइए.
Some of Delhi's most well-known hospitals like Sir Ganga Ram Hospital, Holy Family Hospital, Max Saket and Fortis are now exclusively treating COVID patients only.
4 दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट की हॉस्पिटल को फुल्ली कोरोना डेडिकेट किया गया है और 2 दिल्ली सरकार के हॉस्पिटल्स को बहुत बड़ी संख्या में, जैसे LNJP में 1500 बेड और GTB में 1000 बेड.
The Delhi government allays fears for looming bed crunch for non-COVID patients, saying the COVID quota at hospitals is a temporary move till situation improves.
अभी आज की डेट में 12,600 बेड कोरोना के, जिसमें 5,000 अवेलेबल हैं और हम समझ रहे हैं कि जो ये 3-4 दिन में सारे बेड अवेलेबल हो जाएंगे तो इससे हमारी बेड्स की समस्या अभी तक तो नहीं है, आगे भी मुझे लगता है ये मेंटेन रहेगा, ठीक रहेगा.
The Delhi government has meanwhile also set up a 24/7 COVID cell to monitor the rising death rate.
दिल्ली में अभी फिलहाल हेल्थ सिस्टम हमारा कंट्रोल में है, लेकिन अगर केसेस मान लीजिए कल को बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाते हैं, बहुत तेज़ी से बढ़ जाते हैं और हमारे यहाँ बेड नहीं बचते, हमारे यहाँ ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर नहीं बचते, ICU नहीं बचते, तो हो सकता है फिर हमें इसको स्लो करने के लिए थोड़े दिन के लिए लॉकडाउन लगाना पड़े.
Crucially, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has hinted at.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.